How can I read my reflections on these three questions? And the first one is the sign of sexual abuse and molestation and reporting process within my school. So, firstly, the sign of sexual abuse will be from something like a change in behavior, emotional symptoms, and physical signs, and avoidance. So, the last one is quite a little bit, it's a little bit abstract. The avoidance means the student might try to avoid like specific adults and the situation when they feel uncomfortable and unsafe. And in my school, the reporting process will be firstly we're going to document evidence because it's important. To record the signs and the claims and ensuring the accurate date and the time. And we need to reporting suspected cases as well, even which is unsure. And also we need to like seek assistance because sometimes we cannot handle that ourselves. So we need to collaborate with our school staff like the counselors and principals to provide guidance and support before and during the reporting process. And number four, which is the follow-up, because after reporting that we need to play a role as assisting the caseworker by providing additional information on it to maintain the detailed record and supporting investigation into the case. And the second, which is the potential consequences of the boundary violation. So for this question, I would like to to share my opinion in two perspectives. The first part is the family, and the second, which is the professionals. So from the family part, it may cause like confusion about roles and expectations, because when professional below the roles, it can create like confusion about each person's role and what expectations should have of the other. So it may like lead to unrealistic expectations to on the part of the family, which can result in the hurt and distress when these expectations are not met. And second, which is a professional, it may damage the reputation, it may cause like legal consequences and stress as well, because when the professional, violated the boundaries with family, so it will damage their professional reputation and make it difficult for them to find a future employment. And also, when a professional like receive gift from the family or students or family, it may cause like legal consequences and will like immerse into stress, because if they complain, the professional gonna into trouble. So it may cause stress. And the last, which is the possible dilemmas and how I gonna address. So firstly. The first one, which is the children in my class tells they're abused at home. I need to report, but obviously, if I do this, it's gonna cause conflict between me and the family. So I should know that the students, the student safety should be the first. So I will explain to the student why I'm gonna do this, and then report to the appropriate authorities. And second, which is parents of children ask me to babysitter the children out of the school hours. So what I'm gonna do, which is politely refuse the parents' request and explain. We need to keep professional, and also offer a list of qualified babysitters in the community, so I can protect my reputation and avoid, legal consequences and stress, and also I could help them as well. So here's my reflection.